With Canva AI Magic, you can create beautiful images effortlessly. So it's as simple as a few clicks. So let's dive in and see how this brilliant tool works. So search for canva.com, click on the first link, and now take the blank page, click on create blank, and the next window will open. So now this is your Canva. Now click on apps, and here is text to image, but let's search text to image and press enter. So the first one is text to image tool. Click on open, and now try an example. Now you can write anything, a bird on tree. So let's see what's the results. Once it's done, you just click on the image and it's appear on the Canva like this and adjust it. Now click on the second image you like and adjust it again accordingly. Let me fast forward it. So that's a pretty good results that I asked for. So now just try another one. I'm just writing a purple Barbie. So it's just generating, and now it's done. Click on the image and it will appear on the Canva again. Adjust it. And one more thing, there is a limit about 24 images a day, even in a paid version. So now the image is generated. You can simply click on share and download it. So there is a website called Lexica. Just search for Lexica and click on the first link. So Lexica is a search engine for people who have already generated images using Stable Diffusion. So let's just search for a girl reading books and click on enter. So now there are so many results. Oh, this is so cute. Scroll down and now search for a girl using laptop, and now there are so many options. So with this newfound tool in your hand, you can conquer the design world like a pro. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!